Hey!
Hello! Now we are on our way to Idre and hike there. So, and this time she has her kids with her, so...
And my dogs.
Yeah, so we see how this will go.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't need to turn back before we are there. So. Yeah.
Andreas is so afraid of the bears. So I have this what's it called?
Beer horn.
Beer horn. 16 bears are marked at the place. I never seen one.
Yeah, and I hope we don't see one now.
in distance.
But hopefully we run faster than the kids, so I hope we're safe.
You're so nice.
Well, we are going to one of the biggest waterfalls in Sweden now, so...
Njupeskär. Njupeskär.
Yeah. So, we see you at the waterfall. Now we walk to the waterfall. She has been here 3 or 4 times before, but this is the first time for me, so like a half an hour walk to the waterfall, if she remember correctly. Was it a 30-minute walk to the waterfall?
I think so. Something like that.
Yeah. We'll see.
It's a really nice walk.
That's nice. Are we there yet, Neo? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? That's how the entire car ride sound like. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Wait.
Here you can see.
We can see. Here are the map. Here's the map. So why are we gonna go this way? Think. Do you think? Look. Oh my god.
It's a beetle.
Yeah.
What
Big one.
What is a beetle?
Or it looks like a cockroach.
What is a beetle or crush crow?
Crush crow.
I cannot speak English.
Dogs are afraid.
Honey. It's so funny in the rich man's world. You want to switch backpacks?
No, I don't.
Why?
Because I don't want to. Yours is too heavy for me.
Excuses.
What excuses? You can have excuses. I don't do nothing about that.
This is nice. Doggy.
This place are where the trolls are washing themselves.
The trolls?
Yes, they wash themselves in here.
Oh. Is this called a troll path or something like that, or what? Is it the Näcken? What is it called in English? The naked guy on the violin.
On the violin. With the violin.
I know.
Who knows?
Don't go into the water. You never come back.
Yeah, the naked guy will take you.
Yeah.
So beware of naked guys.
I want to go there. I want to go.
Almost feel like you're in a fantasy forest.
Yeah.
It feels a bit enchanting.
We never know who we are when we go back.
No.
We are. I'm gonna.
Someone might put a spell on you.
No.
And now you're his. And not mine.
It's not. I'm not gonna spell on
I
you.
put a spell on you.
I got.
And now you're mine.
I got a spell on you.
You put a spell on me, then I counter it, I block it and do a counter spell.
Oh,
Block it
no.
too. What,
You do a counter spell.
what means
What
that?
do you do?
What means that?
Han stoppar din och sänder en egen spell tillbaka på dig.
What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna die.
You're screwed.
I'm screwed.
You can't handle my counter spell.
I block it.
My counter spell is too OP.
He blocks it.
What I gonna do? Set a fire on it. I'm gonna shoot a fire on it.
What? You gonna poop fire?
Are you gonna poop fire?
Yes!
Is that your secret weapon? Poops of fire.
I got a spell on me. I do a spell on me myself. So now I can poop fire.
That doesn't sound very nice.
And I can poop.
He will lose a lot of trousers.
I can poop fire.
Yeah.
I can poop some ice.
He must go through a lot of underwears with the butt fire spell. Let's check this small. Yeah, it looks like a horror house in here.
Yeah.
Maybe we should stay here the night.
Yes. Are we gonna do that?
No,
It's gonna be.
we don't have our stuff with us.
But someone can see our stuff. It's a pooping.
A pooping.
Yeah, I can pooping.
Ooh,
I don't.
outhouse. I don't want to sleep in an outhouse.
I don't want to go in there.
You wanted to sleep there. You can go ahead. You can sleep there tonight.
No.
Sleep with the poop.
No.
No, thank you.
It's not. It's not so. It's not so.
This house is really nice.
Yeah,
This is it another poop house?
No, it's not.
Here.
Aj, aj. No drone.
Yeah, exactly. No drone.
Here you can be for...
Yeah, this was nice.
Yeah?
Here I can sleep and you can sleep in the outhouse.
Set on the.
Or the shit house. You can sleep in the shit house. I sleep here.
No, you can sleep on the shit house.
This is not... Oh, you see the waterfall from here.
Oh,
Look.
yeah.
Oh,
So that's the waterfall.
come we go.
Yeah, I go out while it's light outside.
Yeah, come.
Yeah.
Come.
Why?
We're gonna go there.
How are we still?
Within the...
I hear the waterfall very cool. What I gonna do? Do I hear right?
Here is the waterfall.
It's a really nice fireplace too.
Yeah,
Oh my god!
this is nice.
Do we
One of the highest waterfalls here in Sweden.
We're going this way.
That way.
or this way?
This is Outlook. Do you want to go to the Outlook?
What's that way?
To the waterfall.
Are we going down?
Bing bang! What you say?
Are we going down?
Yes,
Yes, we are going down.
Yeah, Be careful if it's slippery, be careful.
I have.
This doesn't feel like Sweden. I can't even look down, up, because I'm almost flowing away then.
I've never been here in this place with this power. It's more calm the other time.
Oh, yeah. To go a bit closer, I think.
Where it was calm, really powerful now.
Should we go a bit closer? You don't know?
I can't see anything.
Yeah, let's just get a bit closer.
Down my body right now.
It's so slippery. Oh, I'm soaking wet.
Woo! So powerful! So powerful!
Oh,
Oh my God.
it's really wet.
I'm so wet all over my body right now. This is crazy, flowing like
I guess this is how it feels to be in a storm.
Yeah, it's like a really stormy weather.
Yeah. Well, let's go before my phone breaks.
Yeah, we go to the kids.
Yeah.
This happens when you go close to this waterfall.
I'm dry. I think I must have better shoes than you then.
Yeah, I have to get some better shoes.
Yeah.
I'm so wet.
Well, we are on our way back from the waterfall now, and it's getting pretty dark out here now, so it got dark pretty fast.
I'm so wet.
Hey yo, do 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 do. What's up?
I don't see
What's up?
anything. Ah!
Yeah, well, we're stuck here for tonight.
Yeah, in the car.
Yeah.
Outside Njupeskär. Walking path to the waterfall. We were supposed to drive, but we heard some strange noise from the car, so we don't know if there is a stone in the wheel or something, and it's dark, so we are waiting here for tomorrow.
Yeah, since it's hard to see what it could be.
It's so dark, and yeah, my shoes are really wet also. I don't want to have my feet in them right now. I want to have them dry and warm.
So this will be a tough night, I guess. Trying to sleep sitting up, so yeah.
Yeah, you are taller than me.
Yeah. This will be hard.
And tomorrow there is nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah,
Nothing what?
it usually goes like that. Something happens, and then when you wait, everything is gone. I hope so.
What are you talking about?
The noise, the problem. Tomorrow it's gone.
Yeah, let's hope so.
Maybe the spirit told us we should wait here.
Maybe it was someone that did something with the car.
Neo said that he heard the noise when we came here.
Yeah. It must be a stone.
Yeah.
I think.
Something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, well.
We try to sleep here.
Yeah. Try is the right word for it. So it will be hard, but yeah, well. See you tomorrow when I have had like 30 minutes of sleep or something. Yeah.
When your eyes are like this crossed.
Yeah. Yeah, well, see you tomorrow. This was one of the worst nights ever. Try to sleep sitting up. I have never longed for my own bed this much before, so this was terrible. I didn't think I could get any sleep at all, but luckily I did fall asleep after 2 a.m. last night, so I think I got 3 hours of sleep maybe. Yeah, but this was horrible. But she slept like a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, and she did sleep too.
Yeah, no butt on the trumpet. Oh my god. I think I've been sleeping quite good. I was waking up maybe a few times because it was the steering wheel were doing it tight to move. And yeah.
And it sounds like it's a stone in a tire, so
Yeah. So we're on our way now.
yeah, and hopefully the tire still sticks on so it doesn't fall off, so it is a stone and not something else. So